What is going on, everyone? This is Joaquin Corrales. Welcome to another video. And in this video, we're going to be talking about what is the point of paid traffic, okay? How do you use paid traffic to its fullest potential so that every single dollar that you put in there gives you the greatest return possible, okay? This is going to be a video that I wish that I had when I was first starting out in digital advertising that would have saved me thousands and thousands of dollars, okay? So before we get into it, let's kind of go over how everyone runs advertisement and what they wish to accomplish from it. And this is exactly what I was doing when I got started, but I still see a lot of people doing this as well. So there are a couple of different types of advertisements that you could run when you start doing digital marketing. For example, the advertisements that I started running with Contact Flow, for example, which is my email marketing company. I can't even make a freaking ad here. Okay, boom, there it is. So we have this ad here, right? And so the type of advertisement that I was creating was I had an image ad, all right, awesome, an image here. And then I had the copy, which is the actual text of the ad. Now, the thing about this advertisement that I was writing right here was that it focused, okay, the advertisement focused on showing off. Okay, and what I mean by that is that this advertisement right here focused on showing off whatever it was that I was trying to sell. In this case, Contact Flow, right? The email marketing software. So for example, what the advertisement did was that it emphasized the different features of Contact Flow. It was basically showing it off in a way, right? And this is the type of advertisement that everyone out there runs, right? And now, is this the wrong type of advertisement to run? No, absolutely not. But there are better ones that you could run that run simultaneously to this one that would explode your sales and that would explode your brand and make you more money. And therefore, you would be doing digital advertisement. You would be running Facebook advertisement the right way. So let's get right into that. So when you run digital advertising, when you run Facebook ads, for example, and any other type of advertisement on any platform forever, okay, there are basically two pools of people, right? There are going to be the people that you control, right? So this is traffic that you control. I actually learned this from Russell Brunson. So this is traffic that you control, right? So this traffic you have control over, and this is Facebook ads right here. Let's write it down here. This is Facebook, okay? This is YouTube, this is Twitter, okay? These are all these people that you have complete control over, which means that you could put money into these machines. You could put money into Facebook, money into YouTube, money into Twitter, and you could control where this traffic goes, okay? They could go to a website, they could go to a landing page, they could go to a product, they could go to absolutely anywhere because you have full control of it. Now, the whole point of digital advertisement, and this is what everybody out there gets wrong, is that they only rely on traffic that they can control. But the whole point of running Facebook advertising, of running digital advertisement, is to turn that traffic that you control into traffic that you own, okay? Because if you own this traffic, then guess what? Whenever you want to reach out to this group of people right here, then you do not have to pay any money, okay? You do not have to pay any money at all because you now own these people. And so what this means, and the reason why you see a lot of people that, for example, have Shopify stores start creating funnels with, for example, ClickFunnels or different landing pages for their products is because they're trying to do this right here. They're trying to go from traffic that they control, right? They're trying to run a Facebook advertisement and they're trying to make it traffic that they own as fast as possible without any resistance, okay? Now, basically what this means, what traffic that you own means is that you have these people's email address, right? You have these people's email address, so you're able to email them, or maybe you have their phone number, right? Maybe you have their phone number. You have some sort of way to contact this person and to reach out to this person without having to pay money for it, okay? And that is the whole point of this. The whole point of running digital advertisement is to convert traffic that you control to traffic that you own. Now, the cool thing about this as well is that when you own this traffic, then what you're able to do is that you're able to do, for example, email marketing. You're able to give these people value. You're able to send them things that they're interested in. And then what happens is that when you engage with these people through email marketing or whatever, probably about 20 to 30% are going to open your emails, right? Those are the average email open rates. But guess what? if you take this email list right here now that you own, right, traffic that you own, and you load it up into traffic that you control, which means you load up the email list into Facebook, then the cost to reach this person is going to be like 5 times less. Okay, it's going to be 5 times less for you to reach this person through Facebook advertisement at that point, because they are traffic that you own. Okay, so how can you go out there and start applying this type of strategy, right? How do you go from traffic that you control, which is running a Facebook ad, to making this traffic that you own without obviously getting a sale, right? Because the most obvious way for you to take someone on Facebook and then quote unquote own that traffic is to get a sale, right? That's the most obvious way. But what do you do? And so what a lot of people are doing, or not a lot of people, but the people that are making a lot of money are doing, is that they're cutting the resistance away from that traffic becoming traffic that they own, right? So let me explain that a little bit more. So right here I have an advertisement, and what people are going to do is that, yeah, they're still gonna sell their e-commerce product, they're still gonna do their giveaways, they're still gonna give away ebooks and all of that. I'm not saying not to create advertisements that don't sell products, but what they do is that when you navigate into that advertisement, when you click on it or whatever, what is happening is that they're taking you to a very specific page in which they focus on grabbing your email, right? Grabbing your email or grabbing your phone number before you get to the page that has more resistance. And the page with more resistance is the page that asks you for money, right? So what most people are doing, and let's kind of switch up the color here so you guys are able to understand this better, is that most people are starting here, right? They're starting here, they're creating their Facebook advertisement, and then when someone clicks on it, they're taking people straight here, right? Which is the order page, for example. And so what happens there is that people are having to buy the product if they want to buy it, which is resistance, right? There's resistance there, which means that people are going to land on this page and a lot of people are going to bounce off. They're not going to actually buy the actual product. And so what did you gain at that point? Well, you gained nothing, right? You gained nothing at all. And so what the smart people are doing is that they're creating this advertisement. They're bringing you to a page where they're lowering the resistance, right? There's no resistance in this page at all because you're exchanging your email for an ebook. You're exchanging your email for a web class. You're exchanging your email for something specific, or maybe not even for something specific, but all you need to do here is give them your email, okay? Give me your email, and then I'm going to take you to another place that you want to go to. And obviously there are different strategies that you can follow there, but basically you go from the advertisement to this website right here where there is no resistance at all. Like, people don't have to give you money. People don't have to make any huge commitment. All they have to do is they have to give you their email. And then what you do is that you take them to the actual order page. Now, are there going to be people that come to this order page and not buy? Yeah, for sure. But what happens now? Like, what do you have now at this point if they come to that page and they don't buy? Well, what you have is an email, right? What you have is an email. What you have is a phone number. What you have is that you have taken this person from traffic that you control, right? From traffic that you control to traffic that you own. Okay, you have done that by using this strategy in advertisement that not so many people understand. Like, not so many people out there understand this type of strategy right here. Not a lot of people are, I guess, talking about it. But if you focus on this and you lower the resistance by making sure that you capture people's email information, and then you start engaging with them, right? You use ContactFlow, you use any other software email marketing company that you may want to use that offers some sort of automation, which means that you set things up once and then it runs on itself, and you start interacting with these people. And you know what happens when you start interacting with these people and bringing them value? They're going to be worth more money in the long run, because the more someone knows you, the more someone gets comfortable with your brand, with your company, with your personality, the more money they're going to want to spend because you've brought them that much value, right? So guys, start applying this to everything that you do as far as advertisement, as far as all of that. Think about how you could lower the resistance to get someone's contact information so that they could go from traffic that you control to traffic that you own. Which, guys, like, for example, let's say I have an email list of 10,000 people, right? Let's say I have 10,000 people that I control, which means that I have their contact info. I could send them an email right now, and most of them are 20 to 30% are going to open. Well, guess what? If I take this 10,000 person list, right, which, for example, let's say 7,000 people never opened my email, then what I could do is I could grab this 7,000 person list and I could load it into Facebook. And because this is traffic that I own, and because I focused on owning this traffic, and because I did this down here where I brought them value through email and all of that, guess what's going to happen when I load these 7,000 people into Facebook, right? I'm going to reach them for 5 times a cheaper price than anyone else because they already know who I am. They've had some sort of engagement with me before, and they know that I've given them value in the past. So this is why the main goal is to go from traffic that you control to traffic that you own. And guys, if you have any questions about this, just post it down in the comments. I'll be answering whatever you guys need as far as this, as far as anything else. This is a 180-day challenge, and I'll see you guys on the next video.